In this video, we're comparing two major streaming platforms, YouTube TV and Hulu, to help you decide which is the best choice for your entertainment needs. YouTube TV offers a robust channel lineup, including live TV, sports, news, and entertainment, with over 85 channels and unlimited DV as storage, making it an excellent option for those looking to replace traditional cable. It also allows streaming on multiple devices, so you can watch on your TV, tablet, or phone. On the other hand, Hulu offers a wide variety of content, including a huge library of on-demand shows, movies, and exclusive originals, alongside live TV options with Hulu plus Live TV. Hulu's strength lies in its large on-demand catalog, including current and past seasons of popular TV shows. The choice comes down to what you're looking for. If live TV and unlimited DV are a priority, YouTube TV might be the better option, while Hulu is perfect if you want a mix of live and on-demand content with an emphasis on streaming original series and past TV seasons.